How are you, students? I hope you are in good condition. My name is Aditya Bagus Bimantaka, and we would like to discuss about the process of developing material. So what we are going to talk about, the first is the process of developing material, the second is a framework for developing material, and the third is for the model, and the fourth is instructional design model. Okay, let's go to the first material. Okay, the first material is about the process of developing material. The process of developing material follows the curriculum and syllabus concept. McDonough and Shaw suggest a framework for developing material into 4 stages. The first stage is show the relationship between learning program objective, and the second is arrange a need analysis, and the third stage is curriculum development, and the fourth is compilation of teaching material in the desired form, for example modules and textbooks. Okay, and the next is there are a picture about the process of material development, from examination of the various reason or motive for learning the language within the relevant context, become specific teaching objective, and then become curriculum and syllabi become selection or development of textbook. Okay, and the next for the model. This model divided into 4 steps. The first step is define, is a survey to list needs analysis and review learning document. And the next step is design, is arranging the first draft of teaching material. And the next step is develop, is arranging the first draft until a design is formed. And the last step is disseminate, is the implementation of prototype in the learning process in the class. Okay, and the next material is about instructional design model. According to Adwi Suparman, instructional design model consists of 3 stages. The first stage is problem definition and organization. The second stage is the analysis and system development, and the last stage is the evaluation. The problem definition and organization. In the problem definition and organization stage, the developer perform problem identification, background analysis, and management organization. And next is in the analysis and system development, the developer perform identification objective, determining the method, and determining the prototype. And the final stage, the evaluation, the developer carries out a test or prototype trial and analyze the test result and implement or retries. Okay, the next is steps for developing instructional design, divided into 3 steps. The first step is first activity, is identification of needs that will be outlined in the design through a need analysis. And the second step is prototype development, is identify the goals that learner will work on after the learning process is complete. And the third step is instructional design development, is consider the extent to which the test prototype can achieve its goals and which part are still weak so that it needs to be revised. And the last step is result analysis, the process of evaluation data, the processing of evaluation data, determining the methods used, the result achieved, and the objective to be achieved, and interpreting the data. Okay, the next, Howard and Major provide guidelines for how to organize English teaching material in the following 10 keys. The first case is teaching materials must be contextual. The next is teaching materials must be encourage interaction in class, and teaching materials must encourage learner to develop study skills and learning strategies. And the next is teaching materials focus on form and function, and teaching materials provide opportunities for oral use integrated. Next, teaching materials must be authentic. Teaching materials must be related to one another to develop language skill, understanding, and topics. And teaching material must be interesting. Teaching material must be in accordance with learning objective. And the last is teaching material must be flexible. I think it's enough. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.